Winter changes everything. But the desire for the ride doesn't stop. The preparation just takes a little bit more time and attention. A careful check, because the cold can make mechanical gremlins emerge. And inevitably, during these rituals, the thought creeps in, should I just hang it up for the winter? Most of the time, though, the answer is no. Because as I gear up, I'm reminded that this is why I ride in the first place. A change of pace. I could be inside by a fire, but I turn the ignition anyway, because that is what keeps us alive. And if you want to keep feeling alive by watching these videos, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification icon to stay up to date. I told myself I was just heading out for coffee, but the reality is that I'm chasing a moment of quiet. Something the rest of the holiday season never gives me. Coffee is simple, predictable, comforting. And maybe that's why it makes such a good destination on days like this. It's a small anchor, something to aim for when your mind feels scattered. Winter riding has a way of slowing things down. The stress, the noise, the pressure of the holidays, it all gets quieter inside the helmet. It creates just a little space to breathe, even if that air burns your lungs. It's in that space where the real thoughts show up. The ones that I've pushed aside while trying to keep up with everyone else's desires. The ones that can't be covered by wrapping paper or fit neatly under the tree. But out here, I'm not expected to solve anything. I'm just letting my mind catch up to the rest of me. The holiday season always brings old memories. As a kid, the holidays used to feel different. More excitement, more carefree, and more together. Somewhere along the way, though, the season got heavier. Poor family interactions, exhausting travel, skating on thin ice. Decades of building up pressure. And the joy, it's sort of gotten lost. Just like that present you find in the closet the next summer. But over the last few years, I've learned that you have to build your own happiness. You're allowed to start traditions on your own terms. You're allowed to say no to anyone you want. And you're allowed to make everything just how you want it. Screw the expectations. And the best part? All it takes to start a tradition is to intentionally start it yourself. The holiday season has a way of convincing us that everything needs to be big. Big gatherings, big presents, big emotions. But the moments that stay with us are usually the small ones. These moments can be yours. And maybe that's the real tradition I'm trying to build. Choosing the small things that bring us joy. Us. Even if it's just a cup of coffee on a winter morning. And by the time I pulled up here, the coffee hardly mattered. This was clearly about getting outside, checking in with myself, and remembering that winter doesn't have to be endured. Coffee shops around this time of year carry certain warmth. Not just the physical heat inside, but the quiet undercurrent of people trying to find their footing during the holidays, even if it's just for a few minutes. I'm in good company. As always, ride safe, stay curious, and enjoy the journey